This will be a quick video to show you how to install a dipstick tube on a 5.3 vortec motor. First thing you want to do is pop the hood and open it, then remove your old dipstick. There is one 15mm bolt holding the dipstick tube into the cylinder head. Once the bolt is removed, you can go ahead and lift up on the tube and remove it. Be sure to check that your new dipstick tube matches the old one. Drop down your new tube behind the third spark plug wire. And at this point, if you are having visual difficulties, you're going to want to remove the second spark plug wire so that you can see. I couldn't get a good clip or video of it here because I couldn't get my phone or my camera in there. And I honestly did not feel like removing this spark plug wire because they are very hard to remove. Once the tube is down and in there and you're sure it's seated, go ahead and put the bolt back in. Be careful tightening this bolt since these are aluminum heads. You can easily strip that. Once you're done tightening the bolt, go ahead and put your dipstick back in and check your oil. And that's it, you're done. Go ahead and close the hood. Thank you guys for watching.